Imagine being the reason a child drinks clean water for the first time. Imagine being the spark that lights a path out of poverty. At Amigos Internacionales, your support does more than fund projects. It changes lives. By partnering with us, you're not just donating to a cause, you're empowering communities, building futures, and spreading hope across the globe. Amigos' initiatives are not just about drilling wells, it's about transforming lives. With every drop of clean water, we share hope. We build schools to light the path out of poverty, and we teach life skills that empower communities. We bring essential medical assistance where none is available.
Our mission is faith in action, reaching beyond borders to provide disaster relief worldwide, from Latin America to Africa. But in northern Uganda, we are creating communities of faith and restoration. Join us in giving underprivileged children and families a fresh start. Together we can turn the tide and bring lasting change.
Visit amigosi.org to learn more and be a part of this incredible journey. Every well, every school, and every life skill taught brings us one step closer to a brighter future. Join us in this mission. Every contribution, no matter how small, brings us closer to a world where everyone has access to clean water, education, and a chance for a better future.